Hi guys, today I'm sitting here at the classroom and I'm teaching English, right? So as you know, right, there's COVID and we have closed our class for a long time, around almost 3 months now. Yeah. So now I'm going to tell you that when will open again. It's because now the government they allowed us to we can go to meet each other. We are not under lockdown again. Yeah, so maybe we can open very soon. Maybe we'll open after the Hmong New Year, and maybe it should be like in 2022 because now no school open yet. Yeah, now they are studying in online class, and maybe we will open offline class after Hmong New Year on in January. Yeah, maybe we will open in January around that. Yes, maybe in this area we will teach not for so long because we are gonna build our the new classroom, but we need the fund because it is quite hard also. Yeah, and we have to build the classroom is better. Yeah, so this is you see here some tables, benches here, and the whiteboard is up there. Yeah, we set up there. When we got more fun, and we will gonna make the new classroom and we make it better than this place. Yeah, because this place is very small. Yeah, no space for all the kids. Yeah, all the children in the village, and someone asking to study, but we cannot allow them because no space, so they have to wait until we open the class, the bigger class. Yeah, and how you guys gonna help me and to do the project when we start the project, and we made more video to show to you guys in my YouTube channel, and you guys will see all how we do in my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today purpose is I want to tell you guys that maybe we're gonna to open in January. Yeah, in 2022. Yeah, and you will see more students come in. Maybe now it have been so long, maybe the students might forget their English also because they are not practicing every day, right? So maybe they might forget some their English, but we'll try more and help them more. I will not stop this program, and so I let until I wish one day when you visit Laos and you can travel to my village, and you can you can speak English to my student. You can train my students English as well. Yeah, so yeah, this is all what I planned today, this video. So the purpose is we plan to open in February. Yeah, in January, and we wish to open the class very soon. Yeah, so how you guys gonna support me and this program to move on to improve to help all my students and our life to get out one step to make the student improve their English a little. Yeah, okay, so this are what I plan today, and hope to see you guys or in the next video, and thank you very much for watching to the end, and wish you all the best.